Hey everyone, it's Jackson here with the Kellum Group. I'm at our amazing new listing here in West Midtown over at 727 Holmes Street. It's a beautifully renovated 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom bungalow right here in the heart of West Midtown. Well, I think it's time we go inside. Let's go check it out. I don't know about you guys, but I certainly do love to unwind when I get home from a long day of work. And what's better than your own backyard oasis? Steps out of your house so you don't even have to go anywhere to do that. Back here, you've got a fully fenced-in yard, covered back porch, flagstone patio, and multiple levels back behind me up here where these homeowners have given you that perfect entertainment space, fire pit area, and a little bit of open yard. So if you got a 4-legged friend, everyone's gonna be happy here. Come check it out for yourself.